If you spend enough time online, you're going to find a bunch of different ways and advice to plant your tomatoes. Plant them deep, lay them in a trench, strip off the leaves, and really, all that's based on something real. But if you're a beginner and wondering if how you plant your tomatoes is going to have a huge impact on your final crop and harvest, well, you're probably overthinking it. Tomatoes are unusual in that they have these little hairs and bumps that can grow into roots when they come in contact with the soil. They're called adventitious roots. So yeah, if you plant tomatoes deep, those little bumps and the little hairs can turn into roots underground. So that's where the advice about deep planting or trenching comes from. Let's take a look at the 3 ways to plant. The simplest way is to plant it at container depth, that is, how deep it's in the pot. And to do that, you just take a hole the same depth as the pot, plop it in, cover it up, and you're done. And this will work fine. You'll get plenty of tomatoes, you'll get a healthy plant, and there's nothing wrong with this. So if this is what you already did, don't go changing anything. However, there's 2 other ways to do it that I want to talk about. The first one is planting it deep. And when I say deep, I mean we're going to go up to about here. And the first thing we're going to do is dig a deeper hole. And then we're going to take off all these leaves. I'm just going to pinch them off, all these branches. All the way up to there. All these tiny little hairs can turn into roots. So what you do now is you put this deeper in the hole, and then you cover it up. You see how much of that is buried? So this does a couple things. Number one, it anchors the plant better in the soil. It's deeper, so it's harder for it to be pushed around by the wind. It will develop more roots, which in some studies have indicated bigger early harvests by 20 to 30%. That difference evens out over the course of a summer, so it's not a huge difference, but the amount of time it takes to reap those benefits is pretty small for each plant, so this is how I generally do it. Now the last way to do it is called trenching. Now let me show you that. But first, let's pull this up gently. Right now, you'd have roots here. If you did it this way, you'd have roots from here all the way down. Quite a difference. Finally, let's look about trenching. And that means instead of a deep hole, you dig a shallow trench like this, and then you can lay the plant into the trench and cover it up with soil. Now this is good for a couple different situations. One, if you live in a northern climate and you want the soil to heat up fast and get the plant off to a good start, this works very well. The other reason would be your soil depth isn't that deep, in which case you want to get as much roots as you can in a small amount of soil. This method is also beneficial if you've perhaps started your plants from seeds and they've gotten a little leggy. Well, doing this, you can bypass all that legginess and then flopping over by burying them deep. Now here's a trick. If you know ahead of time that you're going to be using the trenching method, take your plant and lay it down for a few days. The growing tip will naturally turn towards the sun, towards the sky. And that's really great because that avoids potentially breaking off the growing tip, which I've done more than once. So give it a try. For me, I'm going to put this one in just deep. I'm not going to trench this one in. So here's my practical takeaways from this after digging into the science a little bit, pun intended. If you plant to container depth, you're going to be fine. If you want to go deep, stripping off the leaves and planting the tomato deeper in the soil, there's some real benefits to be had there. Better anchoring, more roots, potentially earlier, larger harvests. And the last one, trenching. If you've got leggy starts or you have certain soil conditions, then trenching may be the way to go for you. But any way you try, most likely your tomatoes are going to be just fine. Don't overthink it.